Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetrading.com. In this video, I am going to show the trades taken from Monday to today, Wednesday, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday in 3 days using my system, right? So I'm making this video basically to run an ad. So let's get started. This is a pound yen trade on the week opening on the 15th, right? From 20-minute chart, the entry is there. And all the trades are taken by the system, by the setup, taken by my EA expert advisor, Robert, CTS 7. So sell order is right there. SL, I move SL to break even plus after price goes in my way and positive, right? So this is a 90 pip trade. And then the next trade you can see here, Euro Aussie 20-minute going to the upside. This was also the trade earlier, a week before, but this is on the 15th. Beautiful entry taken and at 55 pip. This is Aussie yen going down for 80 pip. Sell order is right there. This is pound yen. This was the one I just showed you, the first trade of the week. And then it retraced and then went down again for 65 pip, right, on the 15th. And this is on the 15th, Aussie yen from 7-minute chart. The one I just showed you was from 20-minute chart. So I have both charts open on different computers, 7-minute and 20-minute. So wherever I find the entry, my EA takes the entry, right? So 20-minute also took the entry, and then 7-minute also took the entry. So basically 2 trades on 1 shot. 1 move, right? So this is Nasdaq 100 40-minute chart, beautiful entry here. This is a different system that I'm testing right now. You can see the lines are different, and so far so good, working good. Sell order is right there on the 15th. A lot of trades on the 15th. 16th, Tuesday, 125 pip pound Aussie going to the upside, right? And then you can see here, pound Aussie from 7-minute chart as well. So same thing. Again, I just showed you. I have two different, I have several computers, but these charts are on different computers. 20-minute charts on a different MT4 different computer, and then 7-minute charts are different because, if I have all these charts on one computer, it will slow down. So I have it in different computers, right? So many charts. And then I get the benefit is that I get entry on both of them. So Euro Aussie on the 16th, 65 pip. Buy orders right there, right? And then here pound USD going to the upside on the 16th, 50 pip. And then this is on the 17th. Today, Euro Yen 70 pip. On the 17th, pound Yen 70 pip. Buy orders right there. And this is pound Aussie. Entry buy orders right there. SL move to break even, 80 pip on the 17th. So these are like 10, I think 11 or 12 trades in 3 days so far. For tomorrow, I have so many setups already, and I have a couple of entries already. And I just made a video a few like 30 minutes ago about the new setups, and I sent out to my subscribers and all of that. So if you if you like what you saw and you want to know, you want to learn the system, you want to know more about it, you want to get it, then you can just simply go on my website. My website name is creativetradingsystems.com, and this is where you will find everything, all the trades taken here. Different things. It's all about my system here. One-on-one coaching available. My video courses, AUDJPY course or money pattern course, all of that. Combo deals and blah blah blah. Right. These are before and after charts here. You can see that my predictions that I said this is gonna go up and this is how it goes, and then this gold is supposed to be going from here to here, and it did. Right, this one's supposed to go up, and it did. And on the back of these setups, I take my entries from 7-minute charts. So like I said, if you're interested, go on my website and click the Learn More button, and then go on the website and take it from there. If you might want to learn from A to Z, then you can join one-on-one. I have, a few openings still because the last month, the whole month, I was in hospital. I couldn't do anything, but now I started again, and I'm taking in some more students. So let's go. All right. So this is it for now, and I see you in my group soon.